Yeah, 2017 RX 350. We're going through a lot of trouble just to fix suspension noise. But actually, some of the noise are not even actually from the suspension. All this tool here just to achieve this, taking out the headliner from this 2017 RX 350 just to fix the roof noise. The noise usually sounds as if it's coming from the suspension, but actually it's from the roof rack. The roof rack comes loose due to bumpy roads and also. I'll be using this Loctite here to retighten them all and having everything put back together. I even saw that the rear linkages were also bad. I'll also be replacing that one. Client has replaced shock absorber in front, linkages and the rest, but yet the noise still persists. So we'll be fixing that, putting the car back together and see if that's fix for this car. Everything has been locked in place, then the roof headliner is installed. I'll be coupling every bit and we'll be going for a test drive to see how this noise, if this noise has been fixed. So everything has been put back together here and we just started the vehicle. You can see everything has been put back together the way everything was taken apart. So we'll be going for a test drive to make sure that the noise is normal. Checking for steering rattle there. We are going on a test drive now and you can see how bumpy this road is and we are not hearing any sound on this car anymore. The car is as quiet as ever. And I'm going through this bumpy road at 10 kilometers per hour to simulate to see if this noise will come up. Put the one from the roof and the one from the steering, none is existent. So I think this is a fix for this car.